Hey guys, Linda Vater here. You caught me deadheading my pansies in my front window box. I love window boxes. I have two massive ones, one on the front of my house and one on the back of my house. And where you might not have a window box, I bet you have some kind of long, narrow space in one of your gardens that has some of the same exposure challenges that mine has. This beautiful window box this time of year is in a full sun situation. I mean, it gets lots of bright light, but as the season ages, it's in a part shade to shade environment. And so I need to rely on plants that are really ambidextrous, that can handle both situations, full sun to part shade. And for that, I rely on lemon lime Nandina. I absolutely love its chartreusey yellow foliage. It looks great in one of my favorite color combos with this kind of periwinkle purpley blue. I also love it because, like a lot of the southern living plants, it stays compact, and that makes it perfect for container planting or really tight spaces or front of the border. It will stay kind of low, and it's really a low maintenance plant. I love it for so many reasons. In fact, I love it so much that when these gorgeous purple hyacinths finish blooming in the back, I'm going to pull them out and I'm going to fill in the space with more lemon lime Nandina and some summer color in this same color palette. So if you're like me and you've got an exposure challenge, then I say try lemon lime Nandina from the Southern Living Plant Collection.